Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this deliciously spicy sweet potato chickpea curry. All of the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. So first I'll start by mixing together my herbs and spices. I'll start with 1 teaspoon of gramma masala. To that I'll add 1.5 tablespoons of curry powder. I'm using a hot curry powder. And I'll add a big pinch of ground turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. And lastly 1 teaspoon of thyme. After mixing, I'll set that to one side. So I've got 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes and 1 small one, and I'll just get those peeled. And I will chop them up into bite-sized pieces. And I'll finally chop 1 medium-sized onion. And I have 2 cloves of garlic that I will also chop finely. And I've washed 1 red chilli pepper that will de-seed and chop finely as well. That's all the chopping done. I've heated 3 tablespoons of oil under a medium heat, and now I'll add my chopped onions. After a few minutes the onions are nice and soft, and I'll add the fresh chilies. I'll let that infuse for a few minutes, and then in goes the garlic. And in goes 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. I'll allow that to infuse for a minute or so before adding the spices. I've washed the sweet potatoes and I'll add those and give them a good mix. So after coating the potatoes in the spices, I'll add 1 cup of boiling water. And I'll stir in 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. Once the tomato paste is stirred in, I'll put the lid on and allow to cook for 5 minutes, stirring in between time. So after 5 minutes of cooking with the lid on, I'll add 150 millilitres of coconut milk. I've rinsed a tin of ready cooked chickpeas. I've turned up the heat, and as soon as it starts to simmer again, I'll turn it down to a medium heat. So as you can see, it's starting to simmer. I'm going to turn the heat down to medium and put the lid on, and I'll check in between time. As you can see, the knife is cutting through the potato with ease. I want to reduce the sauce a little, so I'll keep the heat at the same temperature, but I'll just keep the lid off until I get the consistency I want. So I'm just going to check the seasoning and add some salt. I'm happy with the consistency now, and for a little bit more coconut flavour, I'm adding a few tablespoons of desiccated coconut, and I've thrown in some raisins as well. Now it's ready to serve. For some extra heat, I've sprinkled over some chilli flakes. So there it is, packed with flavour, sweet potato and chickpea curry. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next one.